With this business, you can generate between $1,000 and $5,000 monthly. After becoming an expert, you can generate up to $10,000 per month. First, I will explain how this process works. You start by uploading your designs to products in your shop. Next, customers find and purchase products they love, featuring your designs. These products are produced to order and shipped around the world. As a result, customers get an awesome product, and you get paid. To begin with, we need a design. For this purpose, I am using Leonardo AI. Now that our design is ready, we will sell it on Redbubble. After creating an account, click on your profile picture and select Sell Your Art. Click on Add Designs. Click on Upload Your Work and upload the image you generated earlier. My design is made for phone covers, so I am selecting that option. Click on Edit and adjust your image. Now it is enabled. I am also enabling the tablet cover option. Next, add a title, tags, and description. Scroll down, do all necessary settings, agree to the terms, and click on Save Work. Now a couple of products are added to my shop. Now customers will buy my designed product and I will get paid. The final step is to set up your shop. I have told you all the necessary things. Go ahead and earn.